Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to learn how we can introduce ourselves in front of anyone, and this is the basic way of introducing yourself in front of anyone. So before doing any delay, let's dive into the topic. Hi. Hello. May I sit here? Yes, of course. What is your name? Alex. My name is Alex. And yours? Oh, I am Pooja. Your name is very pretty. Thank you. Nice to meet you, Pooja. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from Jharkhand. And what about you? Where are you from? I am from Delhi. How old are you? I am 22. And how old are you? I am 25 years old. Where do you live? I live in Ranchi. Where do you live? In Delhi? Well, I live in Gurgaon at Delhi, but currently I'm living in Pune. What do you do? I mean, are you a student or do you work? I work at a school. I'm a teacher. What do you do? I work at a company as a position of general manager. What does your father do? My father is a farmer. That's great. What do your parents do? My father is a tutor and my mother is a housemaker. How many siblings do you have? I have one younger brother and one elder sister. Great. I have one younger brother and two elder sisters. What do you like to do in your free time? I like reading books and watching horror movies. What kind of movies do you like most to watch? As I told you earlier, I like to watch horror movies or sometimes science fiction related movies and thrilled movies. So I like to watch these kind of movies. Why did you choose this restaurant? It has good reviews. Do you usually eat lunch along? Not all the time. What would you like to eat? I would like to eat dosa. How does it taste? It's delicious. What would you like to take as a dessert? I'd like to take ice cream. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I like spicy food. और इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक स्पाइसी फूड, अगर आपको स्पाइसी फूड नहीं पसंद है तो आप बोल सकते हैं नो आई डोंट लाइक स्पाइसी फूड. आर यू वेजिटेरियन और नॉन वेजिटेरियन? आई एम वेजिटेरियन. हाउ मैनी कप्स ऑफ कॉफ़ी डू यू ड्रिंक पर डे? आई ड्रिंक 2 cups of coffee per day. How much water do you drink daily? I drink 2 liters of water daily. Which one do you prefer, tea or coffee? Well, I prefer neither. Can I pay by credit card? Sorry, we only take cash. Where did you go on vacation? I went to Simla for a vacation. Where can I find the restroom? The restroom is on the right. When did you buy your house? I bought it last year. Are you new here? Not at all. I have lived here since childhood. Yeah, if you are new for this place, so you can say, yeah, I am new here. I came here last week. How long have you lived in this city? I have lived in this city for 5 years. Do you prefer city life or village life? I prefer city life. Okay, I prefer city life. How far is the airport from your house? The airport is 20 miles away from here. How do you get to work? I take the bus or auto. Do you know Rita? Yes, we were friends since childhood. Is there bank near here? Yes, there is a bank nearby.